Cuckoo Rock's the title poem of the only book I've ever done for children, and it's set in it's a fantasy landscape, all sorts of strange creatures and shapes. Actually, Cuckoo Rock itself does exist. It's on Dartmoor in Devon, which is where I got the idea and the title. Crossing over the Clapper Bridge, heading for Cuckoo Rock, peering inside potato caves, woodpeckers taking stock of what's been left in the blowing house, left of Tinner's Mill, where singing nettles and bracken sing to the magpie still. Sometimes you may see them, sometimes you may not. Keep your eyes wide open, they're difficult to spot. Then call to the crow and the jayfly, yaffle at the yaffling tree. Follow the swallow tomorrow, bring back tomorrow to me, as today and the rest of the week. Lie there in granite and heather, lie and remain in the bluebell gorse, lie there in all kinds of weather, and sometimes you may see it, sometimes you may not. Keep your eyes wide open, it's difficult to spot, as hard to find as the finger sign on the hand of the talking clock. Crossing over the Clapper Bridge, heading for Cuckoo Rock.